shops. Moreover, we give a monthly allowance to more than 20,000 people, particularly those within the governances of Mosul, Erbil, and Nineveh. Our aim is wide-reaching. We are here to help our people. We received no...
So we should be.
Tom's White Beauty Facial Wash softens and advocating controversial measures. They took all as the status icons of their time. Times have changed. Mass media brought the world closer to people. Television and cinema made movie stars and television personalities larger than life. Action film heroes and television personalities became pop culture icons of the masses. It's no wonder the jump from the cinema and television screen to the Senate was easy for many. The Revillas, Tito Soto, Tito Lapid, Jinggoy Estrada, and Loren Legarda. Stars like Joseph Estrada, Fernando Poe Jr., and Bong Revilla became presidential material.
They were just famous, they were just the money, just the network, all the requirements of the traditional campaign. But they were not there because they are really qualified for this.
Former Senator Rene Taglisag was elected in upper chamber on the heels of the People Power Revolution. He never sought re-election. He said the Senate is not the institution it used to be.
Ginagawa nilang amin side lang eh. Yung mga ganyan, talagang pag patong-patong, lalong bababa from the celestial heights nung mag-umpisa to the abysmal depths to which it has descended. It's a continuing disgrace. It's a continuing insult to the institution. Can you imagine Claro Recto, Manuel Quezon, nagbubuhi? I mean, kung nag-isa, kaya, senador, kaya-kaya ng lahat yan. Kita mo si Bong, nagsesenador, nagmumuhi pa.